Current has an online-only bank account that also has a Credit Builder credit card. Credit Builder cards or secured credit cards are an excellent way for beginners to build their credit score, especially with Current's Build card because there's no credit check required in order to get this card, making it a very solid option for someone who has a low or no credit score. The Current Build card has no annual fee and no APR, so it's very hard to go into debt. This makes Current's Build card more friendly compared to other credit cards that have a high APY. The Current Build card does have a late payment fee, which is 3% of the total outstanding balance, and also a 3% foreign transaction fee. In order to get this card, you do have to open up a bank account with Current. Unlike other fintech credit cards, you do not have to receive qualifying direct deposits in order to get this card. There will be a pop-up and you just simply enter in your information, and they send the card out to you. The Build card works by drawing money out of your available spending balance. This allows you to control what your spending limit is. Your spending balance is basically a checking account. Also, don't worry, Current's Build card has no minimum security deposit required. If you want to spend more money on the Current Build card, you just simply add more money into your spend account. Put money in there and use your Build card like you would a debit card. Also, make sure that you set up autopay so that you never miss a payment. So that way you never have to pay a late fee. As you make purchases with this card, pay it off on time every time. Current will report your on-time payments to TransUnion, which will boost your credit score in the process. By the way, Current does offer a welcome bonus. When you sign up to Current's bank account using someone's referral link, you'll receive $50 after you receive a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200 within the first 45 days of opening an account. My referral link will be down below. For anyone who is new to online-only banking, then you are in for a treat. Because in addition to Current's spending account, which is their checking account, Current has a high-yield savings account that pays 4% APY when you receive qualifying direct deposits of at least $200 per month. 4% APY is likely going to be several times more interest than what you're going to get at your local bank. Savings are put into savings pods, which allows you to save up for different savings goals. You can have up to 3 pods and they hold up to $2,000 each. So with Current, there's a limit of up to $6,000 in which you can earn 4% APY on. And also don't worry, all money stored in Current is FDIC insured up to $250,000. So your money is safe in case of a bank failure. Otherwise, you get access to over 40,000 fee-free ATMs, mobile check deposit, and also 2-day early direct deposit. And of course, there's no annual fee with Current's checking and savings account. Everything that Current has to offer is managed in their app. You can access your spending account, high-yield savings account, view your transactions, view your TransUnion credit score for free, mobile check deposit, and find ATMs that are within the network. And also find a place where you can deposit cash. In addition, you can activate fee-free overdraft, buy and sell cryptocurrencies without fees. There's also a points section, which give you points which can be redeemed for cash back when you make purchases at select merchants. There's a lot going on in Current's app, but it's still easy to use, and their app is very solid. But there are some cons to be aware of with Current. While you can withdraw up to $500 per day from ATMs that are within the network for free, if you want to deposit cash, it's a different story. You have to go to a retail location and pay a fee of $3.50 per cash deposit. This con can be mitigated by keeping a minimum balance at a local bank. And if you need to deposit cash, you go there. Also, Current does not offer paper checks. There's also a $2.50 fee when you withdraw money from an ATM that is outside of the network. Also, Current's Build card does not offer cash back on every purchase that you make, which is a benefit that many credit cards do offer. You can get some cash back from their points section, but the offers are not very appealing in my opinion. I do have to give the Current Build card an exception for not paying cash back because it is a credit builder card. It's meant for beginners. It's meant for someone who has no or a low credit score. So I have to give it a pass when it comes to not paying cash back. Also, Current only reports to TransUnion. They do not report to Equifax or Experian. If someone runs a credit check on you and they do not get the report from TransUnion, then the boost you get to your credit score will not show up. In conclusion, the Current Build card is a solid credit card, especially for beginners. It also comes with a solid checking and savings account. This card does have some drawbacks that will be deal breakers for some. Still being able to build your credit score with no credit check required, no annual fees, no minimum security deposit required, no APR, and having a credit card that essentially acts like a debit card with a checking account that also builds your credit score are features that will make Current and Current's Build card worth it for some.